OBS Studio, everything revolves for me around OBS Studio. It is by and large the most effective, cost-effective, powerful tool for a solopreneur in the virtual working space. You can live stream, you can record, and you can use the virtual camera to set yourself apart in every single networking meeting you go into. I can't tell you how many times I've gone into a meeting and somebody said, wow, how are you doing that? And I'll tell this story really quickly. The reason I even got into this business was because I was a SaaS software salesperson, and I had video chops because I went to school for video, but it's hard to make money with video. So like a lot of people, I ended up back in sales, and I was replying to all these RFPs. And then I would show up to meetings with the gatekeeper to ultimately get the opportunity to pitch to the executives and show off the merits of our software. And I would hit a wall just head on. And it was like, we were a startup company. And so I would get the, who are you type feeling, where they would kind of like brush me off, like, who is this guy? And so one day I showed up using OBS, leveraging pretty basic tools in OBS for my virtual camera. And the who are you turned into who are you? And that slight change changed the whole trajectory of my career,